Hi everyone, here we are at Dollar General. Let's take a look to see what we can find. Look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness, that's a bicycle. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, this one says enjoy the ride and that one says welcome. Those are so nice. I'm loving those. Let me see if I find a price. Oh, those are $4. Okay, and then we have these little pillows. Oh, look how cute that one is. That one says Hello Spring. Okay, so these are $2. So let's see, we have this one and the Hello Spring with the bicycle. And then we have that one that says welcome. And I'm loving these glasses. And they're real glass with the wood tops. I like those. These are the colors they have. Then we have some pot holders for $1. Let's see. This one says bless this house. And then this one says Hello Spring. Those are really nice. Let's see what these are. Simply Blessed. Those are $1. Those are really nice. Let's see if there's different kind. Yep. Let's see. So this one is black and it says love and be loved. I like that. And look, the bee. I think that's cute. I think I'm gonna get that one. Then we have like these tier tray kind of photo holders. Less house, more home. That's really nice. Then they have a set of coasters, ceramic coasters. So they have this style. And those are $2.50. I think that's a good buy because at Dollar Tree, they're $1 each. Okay, so then I'm liking this. So that's $2 a bowl. I think it's really nice though. The quality feels nice. So these are ceramic and then these are melamine. And those are $1 a bowl in that color. So those are a good buy. And then they have these salt and pepper shakers and the lemon. I love these. I got these already. These are $2. Those are so cute. So then they have these. Okay, this one says home. Let me see if they're all the same. I know that one back there says blessed, but I don't want to knock anything down. See it? And then you have these wooden spoons with those designs on them. These are $1. And then they have the close sign, closed and open. And then those are $3 from what I could see, and I can't reach back there because there's boxes in my way. So that one says laundry room rules. I just can't see the price. No. Okay, and then they have these. That's real cute. That's galvanized metal. These are $2, but the Dollar Tree has them there for $1. Okay, then they have this angel. It's $3. And then they have these recipe tins. I like these. So let's see. It's pretty big too. $5. And that's what those look like. And let's see. Isn't this pretty? Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. I don't see a price on this one. And then they have one of these. So there's no price on this floral back here. And then they have this. There's no price on that one either. And they have these easels. Aren't these adorable? Let's see how much these easels are. So these are smaller than the Dollar Tree. But they're cute though. Those are $1 and they come in the black. I'm sorry, the wood and then the white. And then what I'm really loving right here is the lemon measuring cups. And these are ceramic. These are so adorable, aren't they? $5. Then they have this this calendar. Let me move this out of the way. I'll show you that next because that was a galvanized metal charger. Okay, this is $6 and this is the calendar. I'm loving that. And then here's the charger. Galvanized metal, $2.50. So I love that. And this says, let's stay home. So let's see, that's $5. And then they have these lids. The mason jars are here. There's a lot of mason jars here. Oh, look at this. I missed this. See what happens when you don't look up? Okay, this one says hello. Isn't that pretty? Okay, and these for $5. I think that's gorgeous. Then they have the pot holders there for $1. And then look at this kitchen sign with the lemons. So let's see what that is. $3. These are so cute. Happiness is homemade. And I think these are $1. That's a nice size. That's what they are, $1. And then here's the blue one. It says eat well, love much. Then they have these with the tassel. I absolutely love these. Okay. All right, so these are $1. Squeeze today. That one says hello summer. These are the tassels. And I'm loving that one. Yep, those are so nice. And then they have these hooks right here. Isn't that nice? It says home. Those are $4. Okay, so here we have the galvanized buckets. Now, this one doesn't have the wooden handle like the one in the back over there. I like the black label on this one. It's $3 though. At Dollar Tree, they're $1. Okay, let me just move this over to see. Let me see. Okay, I got it out. Alright, so this one here, this is the one with the wood handles. See? And now that one is $4.50. I don't know, I think those are a little bit expensive. So these are $3. And those are light, they're plastic. I'm liking this jar, this mason jar. Isn't that pretty? Like for the fall. It's a nice size too. These are $3. And then look at this butter dish. Isn't that pretty? That's $5. They're all the same. And then look at this rooster. That's so cute. That's $4. And then this one over here, this big, says Oink. That's $4 also. And look at this. Okay, so this one has the bee. It says be yourself. That's $2.50. Isn't that cute? Then you have the sandalwood cotton candle. That's $5. All right, so here you have a diffuser. That's really cute. $4. Has that beach decor type of scene. This one says take me to the sea. Again, those are $4. And then you have these. Home Sweet Home. Those are $3. And I don't know, let's see what this is. Okay, this is like a utensil type of basket. Let's see, $5. Okay, so then they have this big pillow down here. Let's see what that is. Oh, okay, that's Rock On, LOL Surprise. And then there's a cooler here for Igloo, $19. Look how huge this basket is. I like that. So they have some stuff that's not inside the shelf. I like these frames. They're 4x6s with the wire in the back. And these are $3.50. I like those. Okay, and then look at this tin. I'm loving that tin. Let me see if I can get that out. $10. But you know what? The size of it is really nice. Okay, let's see what else we can find. Okay, so these little ones here, these little tin ones, these are $1. So that's kind of cute. And this one says Home Sweet Home. What's this one? Okay, so this is like an outdoor pillow. That's $6.95. Let's see. Here we go, a utensil. I'm liking this. $5. So this kind of matches that recipe. That recipe one I just showed you. So here they have that hello sign. That's $4. Isn't that nice? Can you see that? Okay. So here we have like a mat for the floor. Welcome to our home. And that's $8. And then this one here, nothing's organized, so I'm showing you what I can. We got to kind of work with it. So this is $4 for this basket, but it's well made. It's very thick. Okay, so this one says let's stay home. I like that. And I don't see a price. Oh, here it is, $8. And then these, I'm loving these. Home Sweet Home, and that's in the black. And those are also $8. I like those. Okay, let's see. And then we have some hoses and some stakes along this side. Let's see what's on this side. So these are the grill trays. I like those trays. Even for the house, for the oven, $2. Then we have some charcoal over here, some barbecue stuff. I want to see if I can get over some citronella candles. They have them here, and those little tiki torches. That one says just be cool. That one over there says love. Okay, let's see what else they have. So they have this little frog steak. Oh look, they have the blue truck and the red truck. This one says freedom, this one says liberty. And those are $3 each. This one says welcome. Let's see, and that one is $5. Oh, look at this one. Work hard and stay humble. Bacon makes everything better. Those are so cute. And I think those are $1. Then you have this windmill in red, white, and blue, and that's $5. Okay. So the pots are kind of like all over the place. I like this white owl. Those are $3.50. Let's see what they have here. Look at this truck. Isn't that adorable? I love this. Let me see. I don't know if you could see it. Can you see that? Isn't that beautiful? You can decorate that any way you want. That's $10. And here is the owl planter in the ceramic in that nice blue color. And then these are the dragonfly succulents. So they have these chalkboard type of tags that hang. These are $1. And this over here says oink. These are $1. That one says oink. That one says moo. Okay, and then they have the cow for $1. And there is one of the fairies. Those are $1. And then here's a piggy. And look at these. They have the little chairs. Those are so adorable. Then you have the mason jar over there that let your dreams grow, and some more of the fairy stuff. So let's take a look at that. So here I see the camper. That's $1. Here's another fairy. They're all $1. The bigger ones are more. So these 3 frogs are $3 until we meet again. Aww. Okay, so this is $1. That's an insect. Oh, look at the unicorn. That's $1. And these make, look at these succulents. These are $5 each, and here it is in the yellow. Okay. Let's see, so you have the stones along the bottom here and the fairies. So let's see if we can scan through these. So you have this kind, the unicorn, so they're not in order here. So I'm going to try to scan through these quickly. You have the chair. Then you have the well. Then you have the bench. And the wheelbarrow. That one. Look at that one. That's so cute. You're welcome. Let's see. So you have this. Another fairy. That is so pretty. So some more fairies here. And this one. This one. Some welcome signs. And here is a milk jug, and that is $5. These I told you were $1. And here you have the campers. These are $1. And these are the little bugs. And these are the little rocks here that say, this has the flag, that's $1. And here's the eagle. Okay. Oh, look at this. Isn't that pretty? That's $3. Okay. So this is what that owl looks like. So it's somewhat a mess. Along the top you have some more of those stakes, the solar stakes. And then on this side over here you have the hoses and the stakes. And some more planting pots, some wires and some crates, some pillows. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar General just to see what they have new. And I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.